Hi friends, this is Silva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading in my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Connect. When I try to open Play Store, this is error. Paradigm the interruption Microsoft Play Store. This error. How to resolve the issue? Okay, just close this tab. In the issues based on Windows update, any issues are not updated, issues comes. Okay. Just close. We give on the description link, go and download the file. Okay, the file name is WUB Windows Update Blocker or Enable Tool. Okay, just extract and that WUB folder, copy paste to in the C drive. Okay, just copy to paste on C drive. Just paste it. After in this folder, WEUB folder is 64. Just right click, run as administrator. After in the place, if already enabled, once you disable and restart your laptop computer, after same procedure, come here, just enable, apply OK, close all the tabs and restart computer or laptop. Then just after restart, after come and check now Play Store work or not. Play Store now working good. Day by day this IT related videos were uploaded. Just subscribe and any issues comment me, I will reply you. Thank you friends.